Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Swing Report for Tuesday, June the 19th. So let's get straight to it. Gonna go through the open positions that we have so far. We're going to take a quick look at what's what and look at the plans going forward. So without further ado, let's take a look. Position number one. Okay, Walmart WMT. So alerted on Sunday. Well, from the watch list on Sunday. We took it here on Monday. We had the levels marked up Monday. It came perfectly, as you can see, into the level at 109.58. Hopefully some of you took it here and were green on the trade. Although it finished as a green doji and we were short, if you took it at the right level, you closed here, you were around about 40 to 50 cents per share in the green. Ending today slightly in the red. I did say in the watch list, be prepared to hold this up to the weekly and daily support here at 109.98. So it caught 110 basically. We're okay. So yeah, we're absolutely fine. Popped up to there today, hit this resistance, rejected off. We've got a red long-legged doji here. Obviously tomorrow we're looking for it to at least hold this level. I don't care if it consolidates along this range for a day or two. I really want it to hold around the 110 mark. Okay, I'm happy to give this to 110.50. No problems at all. I'll alert if I'm not happy with the position. I'm happy to give it a little bit of wiggle room as long as I feel it's trading within the range I want it to trade in. I still like Walmart. I guess a lot's going to depend on the FOMC decision tomorrow. If the market rips, well, make sure your stops in. We get taken out, It will be a paper cut. Next one, DLTR, Dollar Tree. Nice day yesterday on Dollar Tree. We got an entry here, okay, on this level 110.31 I said to look at. That gave us our entry. Opportunity to lock in, I guess, somewhere in the region of 2.5 points on your first quarter or third on Monday. Okay, today's been it's a standard doji day. I like the way the stochastics are crossing over. It is a green doji. Ignore the color. I don't really care about the color. Green, red. It's a candle of indecision. I'm still more than happy with this trade. So tomorrow, if it looks like we want to go higher, you could take off another quarter position to make sure it's nice and green. As long as you're prepared to risk off this 111.77, call it 112. No problem at all. Again, we'll see what happens with the FOMC, and we'll just ride this one until it stops us out or gives us some money. Okay. Dollar Tree, still very happy with the position. LOW, lows. Been in this trade quite a while now. We took lows up here. We took off there. We took off some there. Riding this position. Took off a bit more there. Riding our last sort of maybe 1/8 position. We came into the moving average 200. Paid ourselves today. Now it's just a case of riding those that last contract or those last 10, 20 shares, whatever you might have. I would draw a trend line up here. Be nice to see it hold this trend, but I'm happy with less. I mean, I'm happy to let it come back, push on again. You never know, we might make another leg up. We do have a technical, non-moving technical line here at 102.22. We haven't tested that yet, so a test of that would be nice. We're only just crossing on the stochastics. I'm still pretty happy about LOW. Let's ride it, let's see where it goes, or let it stop us out. Okay. TGT, Target Corporation, very happy with this trade. The comparison between the stochastics here and the stochastics there looks like it's paying off. Beautiful trade off this level here. We jumped in a nice red day here, just what we're looking for. Another red day today, coming into tomorrow, into this long-term trend line. We'll see what happens, but I'm targeting this area now. I am now targeting 84. Okay, I really want it down into this level of support resistance here, 83.67. That's my target right now for TGT. We will watch this closely tomorrow, and we will see what happens here, and if we can really get going, who knows, we might get a nice red day on TGT to take us into our target area. Great job on that, guys. She's working out really well for us. TSN, another big winner for us. We took TSN here a few weeks ago, got this great big red day here, took it down to the moving average 50. Obviously held a few on the way up, took them off. We then got this double top here. Okay, took a DGT here, okay, on this day, and we've had a few nice red, days for us here to keep us in the green. Over 5 points per share on Tyson Foods. I'm still really into this. I think we should come down and test the bottom of this retracement area here. 74.67 is my target, and I think we may well achieve that target tomorrow with a fair wind. Love the stochastics here, pushing on down. Let's see if we can get down into the oversold area on the stochastics tomorrow, straight into 74. That would be great, and then we can assess. Man, this could be a great trade. There's a few other stars aligning for us on this trade, and I'm still really liking TSN. XRX, green day on XRX today, but we're still in the trade. We took it here. Okay, we were in the green, slightly in the red on the trade now, but that's okay. We've still got up to 35.26. I'm happy to give this probably to 35.50 just to give it room. If it curls over and comes back, great. Hey, if it doesn't, we'll let this one stop us out. I did tell you to take small profits on XRX, but probably if it stops you out, it's going to be a red trade. Hey, it's going to be a paper cut. You know, I mean, we get paper cut reds, and that's the idea. You know, let the reds be nice and small, and let the green run. That's the way to do it. You know, if we can trade with a 65 to 70%, even worst case scenario, 65 to 70% win ratio with a risk reward of 3 to 1. We're always going to make money, guys. So let's embrace red trades. Don't be scared of them. Okay, only you know, non-traders say that they never take red trades. You know, everybody takes these red trades, so that's fine. Let it stop us out, and we'll put this one down to a loss. No problem. Let's see what tomorrow brings. WPX, lovely day on WPX today. We took WPX somewhere around here off 10.17, 82 cents or 8% so far on the equity trade into this resistance area here. I really like WPX. We've got this nice resistance area here. We should test 11.30 tomorrow, all being well. If we break out over that area, I would be looking for a probable push up to this area here at 11.79. So let's watch WPX tomorrow, and make sure you lock in, make sure you pay yourself, and let's look for a nice push on WPX. Finally, XON. Well, what can I say about this? This has been an amazing trade for us. Took it down here, took this one on unusual options volume. Not the sort of thing I normally trade, but hey, it came down, it gave us a nice double bottom. It's a nice low price one, but it's a real stock. They trade plenty of shares. I'm more than happy to take this trade. Took a decent sized position down here, took a lot off here, and we've just rode the rest all the way up straight into the 200. Paid ourselves here today around about $8.60 for 115% gain on the equity. Massive gains on the options, way over 2,500–3,000% on those options right now. Absolutely stupid, guys. So anyone who took the option side, you're certainly having a good day. Still riding XON. I still believe it could pop and attack the 9. Hey, if it doesn't, if it wants to pull back, then, you know, I'll leave your last shares on, and let's, you know, give it room to come back. And who knows, a month from now it could be up at 15. You know, I mean, you've got to stay in it to keep on winning it. So let's let the rest of our shares on XON, or the rest of our contracts on XON, just ride for a while, date permitting, and we'll see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Okay, so that's the roundup for today. I hope you guys have had a good one. I hope you're trading in accordance with the plan set out, and look out in the next couple of days for some more picks coming to add to these positions. We will no doubt be closing one or two out, and we will be adding one or two in as the week goes by. So I will probably speak to you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for now. Bye bye.